Did I forget to charge it? Oh boy, I come out here to make a video and I didn't charge it. This is a piece of Manitoba maple that I have here. It's been racked for about 2 years. It's just nice, beautiful. Look at the colors on that. And I thought maybe I would take a moment to show you how I start up and some of the tools that I use, but because nothing's charged, we'll go to plan B. So today's video, how to properly measure for a walking stick or cane. I have a really good trick for everybody that I think you'll really like. You know, lots of times, you know, we get our walking sticks early in our youth or young adulthood, and they become part of us and they carry us over, you know, and we want to use them as our canes later on. But the thing is, we don't always have the same, what do you call that, stature when we're older that we have in our youth. And if you don't have a proper stick or a proper cane, you know, you can end up with some back issues and some hunching and stuff like that. So I know that, you know, you have those punch buttons, you know, to get the right height and stuff on those medical walking sticks or adjustable walking sticks. But if you wanted to use a walking stick itself, like, you know, a real piece of wood that maybe you had whittled and has become a part of your family and that you don't want to part with, that, yeah, I've got a trick for you. Okay, so plan B. I'm not going to, how am I going to get those knots out now? That's going to be a lot of work. I'm going to have to cut into those knots now because, yeah, I have other attachments for this. I have, so what I usually will do is I will dig out the knots and I'll actually cut through the stick after I figure what size I want and, you know, to try and get a feel. But I'm not too sure if they want a walking stick or they want something right here that's really nice. You know, maybe I can do something with that knot there, you know. And once I start sanding this down, all of this is a fungi, right? So this will be like dust, right? When I'm sanding it, and it'll have a totally shape that I couldn't even imagine what it's gonna look like when it's done. I know it's gonna have lots of beautiful colors in it though. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to measure properly for a walking stick. Give me 1 minute. This is going to be a beautiful piece of maple here that I have. You can see the beautiful colors on that. And I'm making that for one of my subscribers. A good friend that I've gotten to know over the past, you know, few years that has supported me since I started on YouTube. And yeah. So, but in any case, I wanted you to see a little bit of what I did. But unfortunately, you know, Cindy, so a proper way to measure for a walking stick or cane, I'm just using my snow broom here for the front porch, but you can use a mop or you can use the kitchen broom. And I have a measuring tape here. So what you want to do is you just want to put the handle in front of you at a pace where you would be walking. So with me, it's about 1.5 feet in front of me. And then you want to put your elbow into your side and put your hand at a 45-degree angle. Elbow in the side, 45-degree angle. That's your measurement. Measuring tape. "35 inches. We're going to do a 36-inch cane, and depending on the design, I usually like to start off with about 2-3 inches above my walking stick. So when I'm looking at my stick, I can take into consideration knots. If there's a knot in the cane, that might be able to give me a little bit of support in the hand, or might really just feel good when I'm walking. Then I might make the measure a little bit longer because I'm going to take into consideration, I'm going to take a little bit off the bottom too, right? So when you cut your stick, You want to just find that nicest spot that just works perfect. And that's easy, isn't it? Walking sticks or canes, that's the proper way to measure. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I do explore videos. And yeah, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You'll get an email or a notification next time I upload or go live. And yeah, we have lots of fun. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.